Hello everyone, welcome back to Xirosoft. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove an ad blocker from Google Chrome. So let's get started. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top left corner to open the Chrome menu. Then select Extension and Manage Extension. In the Extensions page, locate the ad blocker extension you want to remove. You will see a list of installed extensions. Now click on Remove Next to the extension. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Confirm the removal by clicking Remove. That's it. The ad blocker extension is now removed from Google Chrome. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.